Make sure that there are no errors, red lights or warnings in the control panel of the printer. Turn off the printer. Make sure that at least one A4 paper is loaded in the paper feed. Press and hold down the cancel button, then press the power button. When the printer turns on, release both buttons. The printer prints the nozzle test pattern. This is a nozzle test pattern. In this pattern there are no gaps or missing segments in the test lines, so the printhead is fine. In this pattern there is a missing line in the black segments, so there is a defective or closed nozzle in the black printhead. The yellow segments are missing, so probably there is an electronic problem inside the yellow printhead.